The most widely accepted origin explanation posits that the Moon formed 4.51 billion years ago, not long after Earth. Out of the debris from a giant impact between the planet and a hypothesized Mars-sized body called Theia, orbiting Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers, or about 30 times Earth's diameter, its gravitational influence very slowly lengthens Earth's day, and it is the main driver of Earth's tides. The Moon's orbit around Earth has a sidereal period of 27.3 days. During each synodic period of 29.5 days, the amount of visible surface illuminated by the Sun varies from none up to 100%, resulting in lunar phases that form the basis for the months of a lunar calendar. The Moon is tidally locked to Earth, which means that the length of a full rotation of the Moon on its own axis causes its same side, the near side, to always face Earth, and the somewhat longer lunar day is the same as the synodic period. That said, 59% of the total lunar surface can be seen from Earth through shifts in perspective due to libration. Both the Moon's prominence in Earth's sky and its regular cycle of phases have provided cultural references and influences for human societies through history. Such influences can be found in language, calendar systems, art, and mythology. The first artificial object to reach the Moon was the Soviet Union's Luna 2 uncrewed spacecraft in 1959. This was followed by the first successful soft landing by Lunar 9 in 1966. The only human lunar mission to date have been those of the United States' Apollo program, which landed 12 men on the surface between 1969 and 1972. These and later uncrewed missions returned lunar rocks and have been used to develop a detailed geological understanding of the Moon's origins, internal structure, and subsequent history. Since the Apollo 11 missions, the Moon has largely remained unbothered, although one game changer has been the discovery of ancient ice on the Moon, probably left over from ancient comet impacts. In 2009, NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite probe and its Centaur booster rocket slammed into the Moon's south polar region. They hit the Moon at 5,600 miles per hour, creating a plume almost a mile high, and the crater about 60 feet across. Although television audiences were disappointed that the LaCrosse impact did not create a spectacular explosion as predicted, it yielded a wealth of scientific data. About 24 gallons of water were found in that plume. Then, in 2010, scientists made the shocking announcement that 5% of the debris contained water, so the Moon was actually wetter than parts of the Sahara Desert. This could be significant because it might mean that future astronauts can harvest underground ice deposits for rocket fuel by extracting the hydrogen in the water for breathing, by extracting the oxygen for shielding, since water can absorb radiation, and for drinking once it's purified. So this discovery could shave hundreds of millions of dollars off any mission to the Moon. This discovery may mean that it will also be possible for astronauts to live off the land, harvesting ice minerals on the Moon to create and supply a permanent base.
I want to use this moment to briefly inform you about Digital Butterfly. This channel is an independent project of a group of people with love for science and technology. Our research contains useful information from popular books and articles by well-known scientists and engineers. Our goal is to inform you about how the future is going to look like and give you an idea and familiarity with the technology and lifestyle we are going to face ourselves in the future. Naturally, when speaking about the future, not everything can be 100% correct, so always take everything with a pinch of salt. If you find these videos to be interesting and useful, do not hesitate to use your power to support the project by subscribing to our channel and liking our video.
Next time, we're going to land on Mars and take a stroll, see how habitable it is for us, and what sort of challenges trekking on a planet like Mars may hold. Join us next time, and we'll find out together.